Hi guys, so today I'll be showing you how to draw a 30 degrees angle, a 45 degrees angle and an 120 degrees angle using a compass here with a pencil, a protractor to check if the angles I've drawn are the correct sizes, are the correct angles, sorry, and a ruler and a rubber to rub off the mistakes I've made, and a pen to just indicate what angle it is. So we're going to start first with 30 degrees. So at 30 degrees, it's just a bisect of a 60 degrees. A bisect meaning a half of 60 degrees. So to find a 30 degrees, we'll have to draw a 60 degrees, then bisect it. So we're going to start. So we now we already know that a 30 degrees is a bisect of a 60 degrees. So first we're going to start with drawing a line segment. A line segment is just a line that has 2 points. It has an end. It's not like an ordinary line which continues until. Okay, yeah. So we have point A and point B. So we're going to use a compass and locate it at point A. And locating it like that, we're going to draw a semicircle just around. Please keep your compass the same size throughout. Yeah. So now I'm going to name this as point C, this arc here as point C. Then I'm going to locate my compass at point C here. Then draw an arc around the this mode. I'm going to draw an arc. So this arc, I'm going to call it point D. After I've called it point D, I'm going to join my point A with my point D. Then I'm going to use my protractor, my semicircular protractor, to check if I've drawn the correct angle. Yay, we can all see that is 60 degrees. So having my 60 degrees here, I have to bisect it, which means half it, and make it a 30 degrees. So to bisect a 60 degrees like this, I'm going to take point C, the angle. This is the angle. Let me just fold my book. The angle of point C here. I'm going to put my compass on point C. Then I'm drawing a new arc like this. Then arc here, line here. Then go to point D here. This is point D. Then I'm going to name this point E, point E. Then I'm going to join point A and point E. Point A and point E, point A and point E. Then you're going to use your compass to check if this is really 30 degrees. My compass and everything. Yay, we can all see that is 30 degrees. 10, 20, 30. Then you name this. Okay, this is my 30 degrees. Don't lose hope if you're getting this wrong, because I've already started so many times and I have papers which I've took out making wrongs. Okay, so now we are moving on to we're moving on to the second angle, which is 45 degrees. So we also know that 45 degrees is just a bisect of a 90 degrees. So in order to find a 45 degrees, a 45 degrees is just a bisect of a 90 degrees. So to find a 45 degrees, we have to first draw a 90 degrees. So we're going to draw a 90 degrees using a 60 degrees and a 120 degrees. So first I'm going to draw a 60 degrees. We'll do this step by step. I'm going to start again drawing my line segment. Here. Oh, sorry. Point A, point B. With my line segment here, I'm going to draw the 60 degrees, which is this one, the 60 degrees. Still the same thing, the same process. Put my compass at point A, draw a semicircular. Oh, sorry, draw, yeah, whatever. sorry. Nampire, we have C here, an arc C. Then we're going to place my compass at point C and draw an arc here. With you already knowing that this is a 60 degrees, there's no need to measure, but then you can still make sure that it is the correct angle. So I've already mentioned that a 90 degrees is drawn using a 60 degrees and a 120 degrees, because if a 90 degrees is just the halfway of 60 degrees, and a one and oh sorry what again? Sorry again. So we know that 90 degrees is the halfway of 60 and 120. There's equal 30 this side and there's an equal 30 this side. So now we're going to draw 120 degrees. We're going to draw 120 degrees using our point D. This is point D. So we're going to place our compass at point D here. And then after we've placed our point D here, then we're going to draw an arc here. Draw an arc. You're going to use your point D to draw an arc. Yeah. So we'll name this point E. So having our arc there as point E, we're going to join point A here with the point E. I'm just gonna join it so that, because we have never drawn a 120, we'll just have to make sure that it is really 120. So I'm gonna place my compass here. Then here we see that this is a 120. You can also check it. So we have a 120 here. So now we know that, okay, we have 60 degrees, 120. So we're going to use two arcs, point D and point E, at 90 degrees. We're going to place our compass at point E and draw compass there. Oh, and draw an arc. Then place compass again at E. It's clear. E, and draw an arc here. Then we're going to name this point F. Then join. So we can all see that this is actually a 90 degrees. Let's measure it. Sure. So this is a 90 degrees. So now, what are we exactly looking for? We are looking for a 45 degrees. So we're going to use this 90 degrees we're going to bisect this 90 degrees into a 45 degrees. So let me just name this point FSG. So we're going to use the angle. This is the angle of the 90 degrees. This is the 90 degrees angle. So we're going to use it to bisect, to bisect the 90 degrees. So we're going to use it to draw a 45 degrees. I'm sorry guys. So we're going to use this as to draw a 45 degrees. Then I'm going to locate my compass at point C again. Then draw an arc. Then point G. Then draw an arc. Then we are going to connect. So we are going to name this point H. Then we are going to connect point A and point H. Then you'll measure this and check if it is really 45 degrees. Yes, it is 45 degrees. I hope this is understandable, even if at any parts like or something. So now we are going to 120 degrees, which is the last one. 120 degrees. So start again. Draw a line segment. Point A and point B. So we have already drawn a 120 degrees here, but we're going to make it clear here. So drawing a 180, we just know, sorry, not 180, a 120. We know that 120 is just 60 plus 60. 60 degrees plus 60 degrees is just equals to 120 degrees. So to draw that, we have to do a 60, then on top of that 60 we have to do a 120 degrees, just like we did here. So I'm going to emphasize it here. So start again with the same shape all over. So when you're drawing a 120 degrees, you still need to have this same shape. When drawing everything here, you have to use this angle of the compass. So you're going to start again. Draw a circle. Oh no, sorry, I still got the track. Yeah, I made sure that it's still the same. So we are here, so we can name this point C. We are going for 60 degrees right now, so that we can double it and make it 120 degrees. So this is our 60 degrees as point D. This is 60 degrees. So when I say we double it, we're just going to do this on top of the 60 degrees. On top of the 60 degrees, we are going to draw a 120 degrees. Then use our ruler. Okay, we're going to name this point E. Then we're going to connect point A and point E. Then use your compass again. Use your compass to check if it is correct. Wow. We have done it, guys. We have done it. This is 120 degrees. So I really hope this made your work easier. Here is everything. Please forgive me where I made mistakes, but then like everything we did here was correct. I just mean when talking, I made a few mistakes, like saying 180 is 120. So here, this is the 30 degrees. This is the 45 degrees, and this is the 120 degrees. Okay, bye.